Tips for selecting and caring for your Christmas tree. Coming up next on Year-Round Gardening.
Year-Round Gardening is supported in part by Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Though there are plenty of artificial Christmas trees to choose from, you still might prefer the look, feel, and aroma of a real Christmas tree. Here are a few tips on what to look for when selecting a Christmas tree and how to care for it in your home. Cutting your own tree from a Christmas tree farm will give you the freshest tree for your home. But many people will buy a tree that's already been cut. Make sure the needles are a healthy green color with few brown ones and are flexible. Run your hand through the branches to make sure they're pliable and not brittle. If a lot of needles start falling off when you touch the branches, the tree is already too dry and would not be a good choice. Giving enough water is the most important aspect of prolonging the life of the tree. It will reduce loss of needles and keep it fresh. The bottom of a pre-cut tree will have sealed itself with sap, preventing it from absorbing water. Therefore, you should cut 1/4 of an inch off the base of the tree. Then you should put the tree in water immediately in a water-holding tree stand. For most trees, a stand that can hold at least 1 gallon of water is needed. Don't whittle down the tree stem to fit the stand, as the outer layers are the best at absorbing water. Rather, choose a stand that is a large enough size for the tree. Lastly, make sure the water basin doesn't run dry. Check the water level twice a day, especially during the first week when the tree will tend to suck up the most water. When deciding on a location for your tree, keep away from heaters, heat vents, direct sunlight, and of course, a fireplace. Heat will reduce the longevity of the tree. The lower the heat, the better the tree will do. There are a number of ways to recycle your tree after the holidays. Consider taking your tree to a goat farm. Goats love eating pine needles, and they are a great source of nutrition for these animals. Christmas trees can also be used for birds. For example, after you've cleaned the tree of ornaments, you can prop it up outside and redecorate it with pine cones of peanut butter and birdseed, apple and orange slices, or other such food for birds. Many communities have special drop-off or pickup sites that will recycle the tree. Check with your local municipality to see if they recycle the tree for wood chips or mulch.
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated, and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit wpsu.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.